Quartzite, Arizona. Look at this. I'm out in the middle of the BLM. Quartzite. And I'm not deep as I want to be because we still got neighbors, but it sure is pretty. Everybody, I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes, and we're here to show the world the debut of our Incredibox. Behind me, let me flip this phone here a little bit, and it's going to this. There's me. All right, there you have it. The Incredibox behind me. I have pulled this sucker all the way from Tennessee to Quartzite, Arizona, which is probably about 3 miles down the road. I want to let you guys know from the 21st through the 29th I will be there. We'll actually have a 16-foot totally off-grid home and a 20-foot almost totally off-grid home. It's going to have the solar and power on the 20-footer. Doesn't have the water catchment. This one behind me I've pulled all the way from Tennessee here. Been across some really tough terrain. I did a video on how strong it was, how durable it was over the roads. And this one will be taken to the show along with the 20-footer, of course, and be able to display everything that I've used on this home. I've been amazed. I haven't lived off grid before completely, so came in here last night, took a shower, and that was from water that I collected from the rain. It's rained here about 4 days, 3 or 4 days, complete overcasted. I've had to run my generator off and on just to trickle the batteries. Now, I didn't even start out with a full charge. I think if I would have started out with a full 2 lithium batteries, I probably wouldn't have to use my generator. Now, I didn't use a lot of energy. I don't have electric water heater. I have a grill for cooking. And so just maybe some cell phones and some lights is all I would need. So, but I've been trickling with our generator. Talked to Lucas a little bit. I've learned a ton about the off-grid and about the solar that I'm going to share with you guys, that I think I'm a super novice when it comes to this. And what is it like to turn in, to plug into your generator and to do a supplement energy while you're on solar. And I've called Lucas a half a dozen times, and I put myself in your all's mindset. It's like, well, what if this happened, that happened? And I'm glad I'm a novice, because I'm learning whatever this needs. It's like the outside wall unit that we have. It's a passive solar wall unit, and the remote control and how to run that wall unit turns it on. Like, it gets hot outside. I don't need the heater, but in the morning the sun was coming up, that heater kicked on. Excuse me, it worked out really well. Sorry for the noise behind me. They're doing some construction on the BLM, actually. Can you believe that? I feel like I'm back home in Newport, right there doing the Grove. And saying that, I've had some texts from people in the Grove. If you text me, of course, I'm not home. But we did a Grove update a couple days ago. They have not been able to upload the video for some particular reason. I don't know why, but they're doing one today, and they're going to give you guys an update on the Grove. And I know we're delayed. It has absolutely just torrential rains in Tennessee for the last week. They said it's just rained and rained and rained. People, we can't do anything about rain. The construction of the homes are going on. We've got all of them built except for our 12 by 20s. They'll be up and going. So just please bear with us. We have every intention to do everything as fast as we can. So don't ever think that we're intentionally slowing down. We have no benefit in intentionally being slow at constructing land, homes, anything. And if we have a ton of people and a great amount of dedicated people that want to get all this done as soon as possible. All right, so stay tuned. You'll be getting a Grove update video, I hope, this evening from the guys. I talked to them earlier today. I'm hoping they'll get to do that for you guys. I'm at Quartzite, Arizona, trying to sell these Incrediboxes. I've been all over here, and tomorrow, well, this weekend, I'll really learn more about the RV world. I haven't looked into RVs. I don't even know what they cost. But from what I'm hearing from people that pass by, there's no way in this world that you can buy an RV that's 4,300 pounds at 16 feet right here. Throw some off-grid, which takes us to about 37.5. That is with water catchment, a water pump and filter system, a water catchment system, a 100-gallon tank, a 35-gallon gray water tank, a tankless water heater, a compost toilet, and I've got on here 2 5K lithium batteries with a 3K charge controller inverter. Talked to a guy today in a Class C 30-foot RV. we have double what he has in his motorhome. We have double in this little 16-footer. I'm doing fine in here. I've got a full bed. I was warm. I got a ceramic heater inside. This thing's Mac Daddied out. It's got we put a loft in it before we came here. Tweaking it a little bit just to show what this house can look like if you put some time and effort in it. All right. So we're maxed out probably about 38,000, I think. But the only thing we have in here, if somebody wanted to say, hey Randy, what could I walk off with that today with, is I've got Tom bought a $1,400 RV refrigerator, and it is killer. I've had frozen foods in that freezer since I left Tennessee 9 days ago, 9 days ago, and it has been awesome. And it runs completely off solar. So the solar has been running from last Sunday, and today's Tuesday, on that, and the refrigerator has ran the entire time. The batteries almost went completely low, but never stopped. So it trickles off that battery. I've got a little generator I run, and it just sips and gives it a little energy. And I've been learning. Today it's a beautiful sunny day. First sunny day I think I've seen in 4 or 5 days. Hopefully we'll get them batteries charged back up. All right, so this is a video telling you guys that I'm in Quartzite, Arizona. If you're close to here, which nothing is close to here, all right, you got to be a deliberate, you got to be what I'm saying, you got to be coming here for a reason to come here. Let's see, Phoenix is about 120 miles away, and so I'm not sure how well this show is going to go. We have the capability of building about 1,000 to 1,500 of these a year, and I have to do these shows to get the word out. Nobody's going to find us in Tennessee unless you guys watch this video and share these videos with us. And I can't thank you guys enough for the encouragement of our fans and our subscribers that share everything that we do. And I always encourage everybody, no matter what you hear, what you've seen, anything, I have an address, and it's 850 Industrial Road. If you want to come and talk to me, I got an address, and that's where I live. And you'd be glad to come and talk to me, and you can look at anything, ask me any questions, good, bad, and the ugly. You come on there, make an appointment, because sometimes we have a line of people that would like to talk. And if you do, I will take you guys and talk to you anytime, anywhere. So remember, on social media, if you need to verify, trust and verify, yeah, you come to that gate at 850 Industrial Road. I wouldn't even trust people at the gate. You just get me and let us an email, and I'll meet you at the gate. How's that? And I will get you guys and tell you anything you want to know about these homes, about anything that's going on with our company. I've tried to be as transparent as I possibly can. And as you guys know, in a business, there's always a good, bad, and ugly. And no matter what decision I make is going to be looked at as bad. But it's just the way it is. And I've learned over the years, I know you guys have all seen me as I always trying to be positive and always trying to do the right thing. And I do. I always try. But there's always going to be a situation where I'm going to have to step in and be a businessman and make the decisions that's not going to be pretty. And those are the decisions I make. Come what may of that decision, I have to run it the way I see fit. So there you go. As you can tell, you need to read between the lines. Come and see me. Be glad to talk to you. Quartzite, I'll be here. Come and see me at Quartzite. Pull up a chair and we'll talk. And oh my God, this beautiful bus. I got to show you this bus. Hang on. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It just walked in here. There's some cool, I'm looking forward to seeing some cool stuff, man. And we're at the BLM. Isn't that a huge thing? Yeah. Let's see if this video will download, and I will come to you later on and show you more of this video and how I'm set up here on an off-grid. It rained last night. I caught water, was able to catch and, fill up my tank probably another, I didn't rain much, maybe another 15, 20 gallons that came off of this roof. I can go anywhere I want, tap into this tank and fill up some water. Some people today come by, they may be watching the show. He was the one with the Class C RV, and I'm so glad he told me that information, is that his water tank was only 50 gallons and we have 100. He can live, he said if he really watches his water consumption, he can go about 7 days on 50 gallons. Well, if it's just me, and I watch what I'm doing on 100 gallons, I'm sure I can go quite a ways with just a little bit, the 100 gallons that I have, right? So, and I bring drinking water. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I've come up with and how I'm living inside. And I've noticed that over time, I can see how I'd be more accustomed to everything and how I would haul everything. My truck's packed up. I got to redo it. It's stacked up. I got bicycle and ladders and spare tires and firewood and generators and fuel and God, I got all kinds of stuff in here, but I need to make it look a little better. But it's been good. I've been able to try to have somewhat of a lifestyle of eating right, taking care of my body, working out, doing the stretching that I do. And it's been kind of nice because this home allows me to feel at home because I live back home in that same size home right here. It's the same size, a 16-foot Incredibox. So I haven't really changed my lifestyle. I've been on the phone all day working, emailing, taking care of business, and somebody stopped and looking at me right here. Me. I'm gonna go ahead and look at him. I know me. Who are you? Who are you, man? You know, it's been kind of cool because there's been a lot of people that's been stopping and looking at what we're doing. Of course, look, I got nothing. I'm missing an O, so it looks like it's 20 bucks. All right, everybody, have a good day. I'll come back to you maybe later this evening when I go through Quartzite and show you kind of what's going on there. I'm Randy Jones with Incredible Tiny Homes. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know what you think.